been a few days since I videoed, but
sorry about the TV, y'all. This is a nice fleet right here. And I paid only $7.99. There's a guy in town that sells green lights locally in my town at Quality. The Quality Consignment Shop is what the place is called. And this one here, I bought the same consignment shop here in town. This one has problems. Actually, and what I mean by that is that, yeah, the body. Trying to find a way to fix that. Then we go mud bogging with her. But yeah, here she is. She's doing good. Second video out of her.